Imagine all your medical study essentials, textbooks, review questions, case studies in one place. Access Medicine brings everything together in a one single easy-to-use platform. Let me walk you through on how to get started and make the most of its features. To begin, go to IMU University Library portal and click on Login. Then, click Login via IMU email. This will take you to a secure sign-in page. If you are a first-time user, you will be asked to enter your IMU email address to verify access. Once successfully logged in, you will know it worked when your name appears on the top right corner of the page. You can find Access Medicine under the eBooks category. Just click to open it. There are two login options, Easy Proxy via Microsoft Office 365 or Shibboleth. Both will give you full access to the platform. When you land on Access Medicine, you will see a banner showing which McGraw Hill products you are in. So this is Access Medicine. Right at the center is the search bar, your gateway to all the content on the site. You can search for topics like hypertension, and Access Medicine will show you relevant chapters, cases, videos, and more. Best part? The search bar stays at the top even as you scroll. Just below the search bar, you will find links to download Access Medicine mobile app, which is ideal for learning on the move. Explore the featured resources carousel by clicking any of the items that catches your interest. It is a great way to get a snapshot of featured resources. To unlock more features, create a MyAccess Profile. Just click My Profile and choose Create Free Access Profile. Use your IMU University email and you are ready to go. With your profile, you can bookmark content, answer review questions, and access the site remotely, even off campus. Content on Access Medicine is organized clearly along the top menu. Let's take a quick look at what is inside. Review Questions has thousands of questions to help you get ready with exams. Cases offer real-life clinical scenarios to test your thinking and apply what you have learned. In videos and audio, you will find lectures, procedural videos, animations, podcasts, and many more. Study tools include flashcards and infographics to support your learning. Under Books, there are over 170 titles, covering everything from basic sciences to clinical specialties. And in the More tab, you will get quick reference materials, drug information, patient education, and instructor resources. For faculty members or educators who need teaching materials, you can request access by emailing customersuccess@mheducation.com using your MU University email account. At the bottom of each menu, just click View All to see the full list for that section. Now, let's open Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine ebooks. Access Medicine works with Hypothesis.is, a free tool that lets you highlight and add notes to any online content. Just create a free Hypothesis.is account to save your highlights and annotations. Your notes are saved in your Hypothesis account, so you can access them later from any devices. Let's go back to the home site. There is a featured content tiles. These tiles are designed to highlight important or popular resources on books, review questions, cases, and videos. Need inspiration? Check out top resources, curated sets of content based on specific themes, exams, or topics. Further down, stay updated with Access Medicine's news, updates, and most read chapters all in one place. Don't miss the floating widget, available on every page. It is your little helper. Click it for quick access to key tools and links. You will need to be logged in to use this feature. From your dashboard, you can update your academic interests, track your progress, and get personalized content recommendations, all tailored to your learning needs.
Remember the mobile app? And yes, it syncs with your profile. So whether you are studying at home or on the go, the content stays updated.